Imagine waking up to a world where money flows into your bank account without you lifting a finger. A world where you're not confined to the shackles of a 9-to-5 job, trading your precious time for a paycheck. Sound too good to be true? Well, my friend, that's the power of passive income. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to explore the countless opportunities that can help you build streams of revenue that work tirelessly, even when you're not. The concept of passive income. Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It's all about creating an asset or a system that generates money for you without requiring your constant effort or attention. No more punching a clock or answering to a boss. Passive income puts you in the driver's seat of your financial destiny. Why passive income matters. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to break free from the constraints of a traditional job. You're no longer trading your time for money. Instead, you're creating multiple streams of revenue that work for you around the clock. This means more freedom, more flexibility, and the ability to pursue your passions without worrying about financial constraints. 1. Writing and publishing ebooks. Do you have a story to tell or a wealth of knowledge to share? Ebooks are your gateway to turning your words into a passive income powerhouse. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP), you can self-publish your masterpiece and earn royalties every time someone downloads your book. But wait, there's more. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can streamline the writing process by generating outlines, chapter structures, and even content drafts. Simply refine and polish the AI-generated material, infusing it with your unique voice and expertise, and voila! You've got a literary gem ready to captivate readers worldwide. Once your ebook is live, the real magic begins. Promote it through social media, book review platforms, and targeted advertising campaigns. Leverage the power of keywords and search engine optimization to ensure your book is easily discoverable by your target audience. Additionally, consider offering your ebook in multiple formats, such as audiobooks or physical copies, to cater to diverse reader preferences and maximize your potential income streams. 2. Creating and selling digital products. In the digital age, knowledge is currency, and people are willing to pay for valuable information and resources that can enrich their lives or solve their problems. As an expert in your field, you have the power to create and sell digital products like online courses, templates, checklists, or guides. Imagine sharing your expertise in graphic design, programming, marketing, personal development, or any other niche that ignites your passion. By building a personal brand and leveraging social media platforms, you can reach a global audience hungry for your knowledge. Create high-quality, comprehensive resources that provide real value and watch the passive income stream flow. To maximize your success, focus on creating evergreen content that remains relevant and valuable over time. Continuously update and expand your digital products to reflect the latest trends and best practices in your industry. Offer additional resources, such as community forums or one-on-one coaching, to enhance the value proposition and foster a loyal customer base. 3. Content creation and affiliate marketing. If you have a knack for storytelling or a talent for entertaining and educating, content creation could be your path to a passive income paradise. Whether you prefer the spoken word through podcasts, the written word through blogs, or the visual medium of YouTube videos, creating engaging, evergreen content can be a goldmine. By attracting a loyal following of viewers or readers, you can monetize your content through advertising revenue and affiliate marketing. Partner with relevant brands and companies, promoting products or services that align with your niche and audience interests, and earn commissions on every sale you facilitate. The best part: your content keeps earning for you, even while you're catching up on your beauty sleep. To stand out in the crowded content creation landscape, focus on producing high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Establish a regular publishing schedule and engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and live Q&A sessions. Collaborate with other creators in your niche, cross-promote each other's content, and explore opportunities for sponsored partnerships or product placements. 4. Rental income and real estate investing. While it may require a more significant initial investment, rental income and real estate investing offer a tangible and potentially lucrative source of passive income. By owning rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts (REITs), you can generate monthly cash flow without the need for active involvement in day-to-day operations. Imagine owning a portfolio of properties that attract responsible tenants, providing you with a steady stream of rental income month after month. Or perhaps you prefer the diversification and convenience of REITs, where you can invest in a basket of income-producing properties without the hassles of landlord duties. Either way, real estate can be a powerful passive income vehicle when approached strategically. To succeed in real estate investing, conduct thorough market research and seek guidance from experienced professionals. Identify properties in desirable locations with strong rental demand and potential for appreciation. Consider leveraging financing options to maximize your investment potential while minimizing upfront costs. Additionally, be prepared to handle the responsibilities of property management or outsource these tasks to a reputable management company for a fee. 5. Investing in dividend-paying stocks and bonds. For those with an eye for finance and a knack for smart investing, dividend-paying stocks and bonds offer a passive income opportunity that can truly compound over time. By carefully selecting companies with a track record of consistent dividend payments, you can earn regular income from your investments without having to actively manage them daily. Imagine building a portfolio of blue-chip stocks and high-yielding bonds, each paying you a portion of their profits or interest regularly. As your dividends accumulate, you can reinvest them, creating a virtuous cycle of compounding returns that can fuel your passive income empire. With the right guidance and a long-term mindset, this passive income stream can be a game changer. To maximize your success, diversify your portfolio across various sectors and industries to mitigate risk. Conduct thorough research on company financials, growth prospects, and dividend histories before investing. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor or joining investment clubs to learn from experienced investors and stay informed about market trends and opportunities. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. In the era of financial technology, peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms have emerged as a unique way to generate passive income. By lending money to individuals or businesses in need of financing, you can earn interest on the loans you fund, creating a steady stream of passive income from the interest payments you receive. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper make it easy to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers, mitigating risk while maximizing returns. With thorough research and a keen eye for creditworthiness, you can build a portfolio of P2P loans that generates a consistent flow of passive income, all while contributing to the growth of small businesses and personal endeavors. To succeed in P2P lending, familiarize yourself with the platform's lending criteria and borrower risk assessment methodologies. Diversify your investments across various loan types, interest rates, and creditworthiness levels to balance risk and return. Monitor your portfolio regularly and reinvest earned interest to compound your returns over time. 7. Licensing and royalties. If you possessed a unique talent or intellectual property, such as artwork, music, photography, or inventions, you have the power to generate passive income through licensing and royalties. By granting others the right to use your creations, you can earn royalties or flat fees without actively working on the project. Imagine your artwork adorning products worldwide, your catchy tunes playing on radio stations, or your innovative invention being utilized by countless businesses, all while you collect a portion of the profits. Explore platforms like stock photography websites, music licensing agencies, or patent licensing firms to monetize your creations and turn your talents into a passive income goldmine. To maximize your licensing and royalty potential, protect your intellectual property by registering copyrights, trademarks, or patents as applicable. Negotiate favorable licensing agreements that ensure you receive fair compensation for the use of your creations. Consider hiring a licensing agent or attorney to navigate the legal complexities and secure lucrative deals on your behalf. Building streams of passive income is a journey, one that requires dedication, strategic planning, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But the rewards? They're priceless. Financial freedom, the ability to live life on your terms, and the satisfaction of watching your hard work pay dividends for years to come. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights and strategies on building passive income streams. Together, we can unlock the power of passive income and create a life of abundance, freedom, and limitless possibilities. The time to start is now. Embrace the passive income mindset and watch your financial horizons expand.